Guys, so in this video I'm gonna do a wig install, and I'm not gonna do it the way I always do with the braids and the wig glue. I'm just gonna do it real quick, but I also want to style it, so I thought to make a video. But it's gonna be a really quick install. I do want to cut some bangs, but it's synthetic hair, you really never know, and I don't want to ruin it, so that's gonna be a decision we make at the very end. But if it turns out good, then it's gonna look so bomb. But like I said, it's just gonna be a quick install. I'm not gonna use any wig glue because every time I apply wig glue, the whiteness doesn't clear out, it just stays white, and then you can see it on the lace. And not only that, it's super strong, like way too strong on my hair. It gets brutal, okay? It starts ripping it out, okay? So we're not gonna do the wig glue today, we're just gonna do some gel. And I've done this before, it does work. Obviously I'm not going anywhere, so it's okay. If I were to go out, I would probably go about this completely differently, but like I said, I'm just gonna put my hair in a bun, and from there we're gonna apply it. I think I'm still gonna put on a wig cap just because the wig is blonde and I don't want any of my hair to peek through. The vision is there, I just need to execute. Hopefully I can. You guys know I really went through it with my hair this year, and the brown is like starting to fade. The highlights are peeking through and it looks really good. I've been thinking about going like honey blonde, but that's a big commitment, especially with all the trauma I went through with my hair this year. But yeah, I just want to go blonde today. I have my wigs hung up where my purses are. I don't know if you guys could see, they're like right there. I got the pink, blue, blonde. I think my favorite color was the blue one. Blonde was so cute, the pink was so bomb, but the blue just complimented me so well, so it's probably why it's my favorite color right now. But my hair is like 10 different colors right now. I probably will never go to a hairdresser again. Actually, that's cap. If I go honey blonde, I'm gonna do exactly that. But here it is. I hope it's not tangled at all. So I am gonna put my hair in a bun, which means I need to slick it all back. It's really important to have a hair dryer right here because it just makes everything so much easier. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go in with some gel, and then I'm gonna use a hairspray and then dry it down, put it in a bun, and then probably put on my wig cap. Okay, so I use hairspray and gel. Now I'm gonna blow dry it, and it's literally gonna harden and not move. So that's what we're gonna do. Honestly, this is so much better for me because every time I braid my hair, I do it so tight that I end up with a migraine before my wig is even glued on. This is just a lot better, especially if I'm not gonna go out. I'm not gonna be that brutal on my freaking head, you know? Guys, my arms are burning so bad. Okay, so I got it up in a ponytail. We can quickly put it up in a bun. Okay, so now we can put it up in a bun, and make sure your ponytail is really low and your bun is pretty tight because it's gonna go in the wig cap. Okay, so my hair is up and in a bun. Now I'm gonna put on the wig cap. This is not like the most flattering thing to do on camera, so I'm gonna take my rings off so I don't rip it. Okay, my finger's not that. Okay, so now I'm just measuring it to see where I'm gonna place it. Okay, so I wrap my hair. I'm gonna let this like sit, and in the meantime I'm gonna finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I just finished my makeup. I'm gonna turn on my hot comb and start styling my hair, and I'm also gonna see if it curls, because whenever I use a curling wand it doesn't stay, but I remember using my air curler on my friend's hair and it stayed, so I'm gonna see if that's gonna work. If not, I don't know how this is gonna go with the bangs, but we're gonna see. I have a lot of hope. Okay, so I got my hot curler. I'm literally just gonna see if it curls this hair. I could try to have like big Pamela Anderson hair, but it's not real, you guys. It's synthetic. I know. That's somewhat of a bounce. I think that's something. I think we could style the hair like with layers. That would be, this is cute. Okay, I think we could work with that. Oh, it is so cute. Look, we could definitely work with this. Okay, the hair does shed a lot. It's all over my chair, but it's okay. The curl dropped. That's not a good sign. Well, maybe because I brushed it. We're gonna say that. I'm gonna go for it. I don't really care anymore. Oh my goodness, I'm so nervous. But I think I'm just gonna go for it. You guys, I'm so scared. I gotta make sure I cut it at a perfect length because I don't want to go back in and cut it. So maybe. Now I'm gonna flatten this part and go downward. I should have used the razor, honestly. I'm gonna curl it in layers. So this is gonna be up. I'm trying to make this work. The vision is there. Just gotta execute. Let's do the second layer of the bangs. I had no idea that it curls, so I'm gonna curl it. Honestly, I didn't know I was gonna do all this, but it's kind of cute, so I'm gonna keep curling with my straightener and then keep you guys updated. I don't know, this is giving like 90s glam. I want to remind you that this is synthetic hair. Like, I don't even know what I'm doing. I just started doing stuff. And I guess the trick is to leave it on the lowest heat setting because I put it on the highest and I burnt the hair. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, the camera doesn't even do it justice because it looks so good in person. But I think I'm gonna leave it alone, so that's it for this video. I didn't know I was gonna do all this, but it came out so cute. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys very soon.